Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. Guys, on this video we are going to be making spaghetti jollof with carrot. Is what we are going to be making over here. So we are going to be using carrots for this spaghetti jollof. So over here is my carrots. I have one large onions. I have some red bell pepper, ginger, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper over there. Over here is my spaghetti in which we are going to be using. Okay guys, let's just dive into the video. So guys, I'm going to be adding some water in there so it can get boiled. So over here is my beef, guys. So what I'm going to be doing is to shred it, cut it into pieces. So feel free to use any meat you have available. It's ready, guys. So we are going to be blending. Boiling it is optional, so you can just blend it directly. I already have a recipe for that, the one I made before, just boiling it directly. I'm going to be linking it, that video, on this channel. Feel free to check it out to see the way I prepared that. So there are different ways you can prepare your carrot stew, carrot jollof or carrot spaghettis. It doesn't mean you have to boil it. Like this one, I boiled it. The one I made before, I didn't boil it. So I just, blend it directly. So I'm going to link that video on this channel, on this video down here. Please feel free to check it out if you have not watched that video. So I'm going to be seasoning with my nut cube. Then I'm also going to be adding some salt for taste. I'm going to be adding some water into it. Yeah, so I'm still going to add more things, so still going to add more so you can cook our spaghettis. Taste, the taste tastes so yummy, delicious. I'm going to be adding more to it. I'm going to allow it to come to a boil before adding my spaghettis to it. I'm going to be adding my pasta. So I'm just going to be adding it. So I'm going to allow it to, cook. So I'm going to be adding my shredded turkey and chicken. It's ready, guys. So we are going to be dishing it out. So that is it. Thank you also so much for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye.